Looks like another train is emptying out. That's the northbound platform here at Eglinton Station. And over on the southbound platform, the train is just sitting here. I haven't heard any announcements as to what's going on. And when I entered the station and paid my fare, there was nothing to indicate I wouldn't be able to go southbound. And hey there, it is Wednesday, December 18th, 7:51 p.m. is the time, and outside is about 2 degrees Celsius, but that's a little irrelevant right now as I am down here at Eglinton Station. And I think an empty train just set off down the tracks. There's a lot of people just standing along the platform wondering what's going on. According to service alerts on the TTC website, it says no service between Shepherd Yonge and Eglinton while we deal with an operational problem. Shuttle buses are on the way. That could be for the northbound platform. But there's nothing to indicate a service disruption on the southbound platform here. I think everyone's just trying to wait it out. It does say shuttle buses are on the way, but those are kind of the famous last words that almost never come true. You're usually better off just walking or trying to wait.
How do you get to practice as well?
I drove to, I normally drive to Yorkdale.
Oh, Yorkdale. Okay.
Alright, let's see what this train says on it. This is a train that says Eglinton. So probably everyone on this train is going to get kicked off, as normally a train would be coming on this platform in the other direction. There's a garbled announcement going on right now. I just said shuttle buses are available at street level.
Line 1, North Finch.
Well, this is announcing that this is going to be a southbound train. So everyone's getting kicked off. Well, my plan was to go south.
Hopefully the next one goes. Looks like that one's turning back too, so hopefully the next train.
Hopefully the next train. This is a very empty southbound train. If you live in Toronto, this is just something you have to get used to. The system went down several times last week. But at least Eglinton has public accessible bathrooms. Oh, there's people riding their e-scooters through the station. All right, maybe we can go see if those shuttle buses are actually running.
I don't think it's in service.
That's all passengers of the Eglinton system are running it. We are switching a full service suspension both ways between Shuttle and Eglinton Station.
That would have been my train. As a garbled message was saying there's a full service suspension between Shepherd and Eglinton. Let's update the alert. Does it still say shuttle buses are on the way? That does not mean they're operating.
Are there trains going southbound right now?
Yeah, southbound only.
Southbound only?
Yep. And look at all those people waiting for non-existing shuttle buses. You get mixed messages. They'll say shuttle buses are on the way. A lot of people will head up to street level and wait for these alleged shuttle buses, and a lot of people will stay down at platform level. Oh, I do see a 97 bus making its way. It's just in front of the West Elm now. Oh, here comes a shuttle bus. It's a Festivus miracle. They probably pulled one of the buses visiting Eglinton Station off its route and reassigned it. I don't know what the cause of the delay is. Oops.
Walking on the subway tracks is dangerous, illegal, and can land you a fine of up to $5,000. Stay off the tracks.
So this would be that train that
Walking on the subway tracks is dangerous.
was a northbound train.
And can land you a fine
They just
of up to
kicked everyone off of.
$5,000. Stay off the
Oh well, good luck to these folks.
Line 1, Fort Finch. Line 1, Fort Finch.
Alright, I guess that's my cue to get on this southbound train. I hope you enjoyed this one. Do let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Bit of a quick, lazy effort of a video by me, but
Right on, as long as we're going south.
it is what it is when you severely underfund a transit system like our province has been egregiously so doing. This is the result, just constant shutdowns and closures. Fun times. I'm late for my own stream. I scheduled it for 8 p.m. Maybe I'll just go south to St. Clair and start there. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for the train to go, and thank you for watching. Yoink!